Hi guys, today I'm starting my journey for my graduation project in my studies. After I had so much fun creating my augmented reality app, I decided to take it one step forward and work on a virtual reality app for my graduation project. For me, it is a moment of truth and a bold step forward in a direction I feel the consumer technology industry heads. It all starts with fun unboxing videos, so I will unbox two products for you guys. The Oculus 2 Quest VR headsets and the DJI OSMO 3 Gimbal. Please subscribe to my channel, it is free and you will be able to follow my progress. Enjoy!
One eternity later.
Some papers. What else do we have here? A strap. Okay, what's here? Some sort of duffel bag. Okay. Next up. The tripod, I assume. Yep. A USB cable. Anti-sleep pads, some extras, and that's it. And the box is empty. Now to the main attraction. And there you go. Try to close it actually, but let's leave it like this. And that's it. There you go. That was so exciting. Although I cannot share what my project is all about exactly yet, I think it is safe to say it will announce my productivity in my exciting graduation project. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below with your guesses. It means the world to me. Until next time, bye bye!